What I'm about to show you is probably the coolest addition you can get for your business. If you've ever watched shows like Silicon Valley and The Office, or movies like The Social Network, Wolf of Wall Street, or something like The Intern, you may remember how in key moments of the story, they highlight achieving certain milestones. If you watched closely, you may have noticed all of these things have one thing in common. Every team had a sales counter that visually showed them their progress as they got closer and closer to their goal. Well, today, I'm glad to present to you the PingBell Celebration Page. From this day forward, every PingBell you've created automatically gets its very own celebration page, which you can completely customize and brand to your business. This means you can set up as many counters as you want, like every important KPI you would like to track. From new orders to signups, all the way to new followers and subscribers on your social media channels. So without further ado, let's go through how to actually set up your first PingBell and celebration page. Okay, so step 1 of the process is to set up your very own PingBell. If you just signed up for an account, go ahead and click on the button in the middle of the screen or in the bottom right corner to begin the process of creating your first PingBell. Next, you will have to set the title and description of your PingBell. These fields are important as they will also be transmitted to you via a web browser notification or mobile push notification if you've installed the PingBell app. Next, select the audio bit you would like to set for your PingBell. This is also important since unlike all the other apps where the notification sound is the same for all notification, PingBell actually lets you set a custom sound for each unique PingBell, and thus, you can instantly recognize what event just happened without even having to look at your phone. After you've set up your notification, you can invite other team members to also receive these notifications. After adding their emails or PingBell username, all they would need to do is install the free PingBell app and accept your invitation. What a great way to build up morale and improve your sales culture. Alright, so now that we have our first PingBell set up, let's actually connect it to a trigger. So for this, we can actually use one of 3 different options. Option 1. Copy your PingBell URL and place it in the webhook field of the app you are connecting to. Option 2. Copy your API key and connect your PingBell account to Zapier, which allows you to easily connect PingBell to over 6,000 popular web apps. Option 3. Similar to Zapier, you can also copy your API key again and connect your PingBell account to another APR marketplace called Pabbly. Setting up the trigger is a one-time process for each PingBell, and it should take no more than a few minutes. Once you've set your trigger, your PingBell notifications will begin to trigger automatically every time it receives a message from the app you just connected it to. Alright, so now the moment you've been waiting for. Let's go through how to create our celebration page and counter. I'll start by saying that as of the moment of creating this video, the PingBell Celebration Page is only available on the web app. Okay, so to get to your PingBell Celebration Page, you would need to enter the web app by going to app.pingbell.io. Now, let me actually show you how to get to this celebration page once we're logged in. So here you can see all of my PingBells, and all we need to do is go ahead and click on the celebration icon to open up the celebration page. Now, we're greeted with a blank black screen, but don't worry. All we need to do is hover our mouse to the right side and the hidden settings menu will appear. In this first option in the settings, we can select what kind of messaging style we would like every time we receive a notification. We have 3 different options here. First is a static message. This message will be the same as when you first created your PingBell. Second is a disappearing message, which also uses the same title and description. And third is a disappearing bubble, which will look the same as a push mobile notification. Next, we can select exactly which PingBell we want to be displayed on the page. We can select any PingBell we have, or we can actually select all to receive all of the notifications. Do note that if you select all, the static head message and the counter will be inactive. At this point, I should tell you 3 different things are going to happen whenever you do receive a notification to your celebration page. First, a fireworks animation will go off. Second, the counter will go up. And third, if you've selected the disappearing message or bubble, They will appear for about 5 seconds. Alright, next up is setting up the position of the elements on the screen. This is important as it enables you to keep the important visuals on the screen if you need to resize the window for streaming or integrating it into another video. Let me show you all of our options here. First, we can select the positioning of the displayed text and the counter from 10 different options like bottom right or top left, etc. Then we can choose the font size. Then we can choose the font type, which we can just type into this field and search for fonts. We have access to all of Google's fonts, so you can truly fit your brand. Last but not least is you can actually set up the colors of the page. I strongly recommend first selecting the background color of the page and then selecting the font, counter, and counter number colors. Let me show you one of many super creative ways we can actually utilize the celebration page. Since we can change the background color of the page to whatever color we want, we can actually make it a bright green. And by doing so, we open up the possibility of using the celebration page as a green screen. This is perfect and super useful for something like a stream on Twitch or YouTube. Let me show you step by step how we can set up the celebration page to be used as a green screen in our live stream. So with our celebration page now a bright green, let's go ahead and open up OBS, the most popular streaming software. OBS will allow us to record our screen and webcam and other things and live stream to services like Twitch, YouTube, and more. So here in my OBS, we have a little stream setup. As you can see, under the Sources tab, we have my computer screen and my webcam. All we need to do to get the celebration green screen working is go ahead to the plus button in the Sources and select Window Capture. We'll click OK, and we need to make sure we are using the Google Chrome tab that has the celebration page open. Let's click OK again, and then you'll see it's a bright green. So to make it an actual green screen, go ahead and right-click the window capture we just created and go to Filters. Then we'll hit the plus button and hit Chroma key. Hit OK, and make sure this key color type is set to green. Now when we close it, we can see on our live stream that it's just showing the counter and the text we have. Now we can resize it within OBS to make it whatever size we want and fit wherever we'd like. We can also get rid of the top Google Chrome bar by right-clicking and going to Filters again, hitting plus, and going to Crop. Now we can crop out the top by typing in a number here. Hit close, and now we just have our counter and our text on top of our live stream. As you can see, the PingBell Celebration page is super useful no matter if you are a casual streamer or a business professional. So let's go ahead and summarize everything we've learned. PingBell gives you and your entire team the ability to get notified every time a new order, conversion, install, or sign up happens on your website or app. You can customize the notification message and sound for each PingBell so that they are easy to recognize even without having to look at your phone. The PingBell Celebration page can be set up to match your brand and be used as your very own sales counter, enabling you to show off your conversions, increase team morale, or even create consumer FOMO while streaming. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any more PingBell videos. Put what you liked or didn't like in the comments section below so that we can keep making the best videos for you. Thank you so much for watching.